Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your QCY MeloBuds Pro with an iPhone. To pair your QCY MeloBuds Pro, you should go to the settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now you can see Bluetooth is enabled. And now if you're using your earbuds for the first time, then they'll probably be in the case, but they will have a protective film. And you should take them out. Take the protective film off the earbuds because it covers the pogo pins, which makes the headphones unable to be activated. So you should take the protective film off of both earbuds, put them in the case, close the lid, wait a moment, then reopen it and take the earbuds out of the case. You can already put them in your ears, of course. But now you should disable and enable Bluetooth to refresh the connection on your phone. And now wait a moment and select QCY MeloBuds Pro. Now they are connected. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.